I got a baby face. Like I recorded so many times, but this is like the one time where I'm looking at this and I'm like, damn, I look like a child. All right, that's a good thing though. I think. I hope. I don't know. When you see me in person, I'm a little older, or people tell me I'm starting to look older. One liner: get food recommendations based on your preferences and dietary needs with a push of a button. Hopefully, y'all can hear me pretty good, and hopefully, I'm not messing up the mic by blowing or breathing on it. But this is the last plan for Mo Foods. I'm recording myself building it or planning it out, um, just so build in public, and also to keep myself accountable, so I don't end up going on YouTube. After I finish this, I'm gonna head to the gym, so gotta leave here around 8:30. They close at 10. All right, so that's the one-liner. The MVP features include you can still save pins. I'm gonna think and talk out loud, but I'm not really talking or explaining anything. This is me kind of working, just recording and sharing. You can still search for places. You can create folders and to sort wish lists and favorites. Create others, and this is so they can sort the places they save. And AI recommendations. You can view details, pin AI content. The Mofus Plus plan. You get 10 AI recommendations a week, a month. Unlimited pins, unlimited folders, and collaborative folders if time allows. There will be no collaborative folders. That's being taken out. Not sure to call it folders or collections or list. I'll figure that out later. More focus on AI recommendations, working extremely well. And the reason why I wrote this is because I'm going to focus on some onboarding and focus on the paywall. So that's for the other guy. Um, I'm debating if I should pay this developer that's going to be helping me to build the whole thing, or to just work on certain stuff. Because now all I need, and let's do the development planning. Um, all I need is authentication, the onboarding screens, um, AI screen, onboarding screens. I'm gonna do AI onboarding, the pin screen, um, profile. What's this? The details, place details and stuff like that. It's very simple. Folder screen, search screen. Um, I think folders will most likely get their own screen. Um, the AI screen with the paywall profile screen. This one might be a modal view or a sheet. Who knows? Um, I want a bigger emphasis on the AI feature. This includes onboarding, including setting up AI preferences and walkthrough and the paywall. So this is the new essential steps. So this is me setting up the steps for when I'm going to start building it. Now let's go to progress. Let's add an icon here. Authentication. User can sign up or in with email and password. We'll also get. We'll also implement sign up slash login. Right, with Google and Apple. I already found some tutorials that will help me out with that. This will be the first time I learn how to do that. Let's just make me the owner, right? And no dates yet. Review. I don't know what this stuff is. All right, is that it? Oh, look at that. You can add a cover. All right, and you can kind of see that. So that's the authentication. The onboarding screens. So this one's a little tricky because authentication, let's do auth onboarding. Oh, you can change the priority of these. All right. So with auth onboarding, this is why I had this phone up. I would like for when they get started, that I'm picking the apps that have nice designs, because I'm gonna redesign this myself. Even though I do have designs from the people I hired, the designers I hired. Let's open up Figma real quick. I would like them to set up their AI, like preferences and things like that. Uh, when they, where you at? Oh, did they change the layout for this? I don't really like this. I don't know why Figma is. Some stuff was already good. You don't need to change too much. All right, he never put more stuff in, but I would like a walkthrough for the AI recommendations. The two designers I hired, they mostly worked with what I gave them, but none of them really thought through above like, or they did what I told them to do. So, but I was hoping, and I didn't explicitly ask, so it's not their fault. How the AI was going to work. They just enhanced the screens. And the other designer, not this one, the other one just like made random stuff. I don't know. So the AI recommendation is gonna. I'm gonna have to figure out how to improve that. But I want this to be like an onboarding process, where like after you made an account, well, you already authenticated and created. When you first make an account, you'll be setting up your preferences, like choosing your preferences, how far you want the distance to be for your stuff, and then you'll get one free AI recommendation based on those preferences. Um, Let me actually do this. Nope, not there. So let's actually go to the tabs. All right, if we go to Mo Foods, nope, not Stripe. I'm not making money there yet. We log in. It'll be pins, folders, groups is getting removed. It might come back in the future. There's search, profile, and there's folders. What I would like is for when they hit the AI or after they first signed in, they will go to the AI. When they first sign in, they'll do the onboarding process for the AI and like select the preferences, and then they'll get one free recommendation when they hit it. And then from there, they can still go to their pins, they can go to their folders, they can still search, and then go to their profile. So basically, the only new tabs that will be added here is the folders and the AI. The profile, I might just keep the same, honestly. I have 5 tabs up here. I don't see why not. Because the whole point is like we're trying to ship this quick and make it good, but I'm not gonna say we, me. It's only me. I'm trying to make it convert to like people subscribing, so people will be able to start their free trial without entering like a payment or credit. Or I might have to do some research on that, on like what I want to do. Do I want to when you start when at the end of your trial you get charged, or you can start your trial without putting it in? I think I'm gonna do it when they charge. So recipe. Anyways, this AI food recommendation thing, and once you log in, you do their whole onboarding stuff, and then they hit you with a hard paywall. Cal AI does that, where you got this really nice, right, onboarding, and it's setting you up, and you're doing all this info, and you're like, the user is investing their time and throughout this whole onboarding, this whole process, and then you get hit with a hard paywall where you can't use the app unless you subscribe. I personally hate that and that, but people have found some really good success with it. There's a guy on Twitter I saw making like 40K. That's what he did. But that's basically it. Like this will be the login and the or the login sign up, and there'll be like a nice onboarding flow of like the app and the logo right here. So if I go to my Figma, right, we're gonna use mostly my onboarding, but it'll be something like this. Um, we'll use some of my onboarding screens for the pictures, and I'll change some things up. But you'll swipe, and you'll hit get started. You can either create an account or log in. Uh, or we might just take from kind of like this. Like when you hit get started, this might be a modal view that pops up or something, and then you can sign in. Yeah, I might actually just do that, and the onboarding will be boom, boom, boom. Ooh, okay, okay, that's what I'll do. Yeah, this is good. So I'll do this design, do it like a modal or a sheet, right, for the get started. When they hit get started, then this will roll up, and the icon, this thing will be like right where it's at. They'll create their account, right? It won't be phone number verification. Uh, and this is all I need. Create new account, boom, boom. What else? You add a profile picture when you get to the profile view. Yeah. All right. I got that. I got that planned. Let me write that down, and then we'll do the progress. So the design, we'll do this design steps. I'm gonna start making more videos like this where you can kind of see my thought process. Um, Onboarding screen with get started when app is open. Um, After pressing get started, you can sign in or sign up. And I'm gonna literally copy what Sam made and um, change it up a bit. After uh, if sign if signed up, user will go through a um, onboarding process for the AI recommendations. So they're basically like, I do wish I had it up here, but they're basically setting up their AI. Like once the user first signs up, they're going through the next onboarding process, setting up their AI, and then getting their this part right here, and then getting their free. As soon as they'll say generate their thing. But whether or not I gotta hit them with a paywall so that thing can skip. So yeah, it signed up at the end of setup. Introduce paywall with free trial, right? I'm not sure how the free trial is gonna work. No free trial. Do I want to do a free trial? Free trial, or I'll do this, or 3 free recommendations. And if you want more, subscribe. All right. And then let them hit generate for recommendations. From there, it's normal. It's back to the, uh, you know, uh, original plan, which is pins, folders, search. Because the idea is you can still save pins, you can sort them into folders, and you can favorite them. Um, and what else? I'm gonna see if I can put that. Yeah, I'm gonna put that in. I'm gonna put those in 2 screens probably in the same screen. We'll see what happens. What else? What else? That's it. That's basically it right there. That's the design steps, right? You get this nice onboarding flow. Maybe support different. Nah, we won't support different languages yet. And then you'll start doing the AI onboarding, and then get hit with the paywall. You can't close out of the paywall to get your 10 recommendations, but you will get 3 free ones. Yeah, so that way you're like, oh, okay, I can use this stuff. All right. Um, what else? There was something else. Development planning. So this is for me. What am I going to set up? How am I going to plan this thing? I have to figure out the revenue cap. So it will be a class with the observable protocol. Whatever way I wrote that to set up the revenue cap. I gotta basically do that again. But I have a lot of reusable code I can just use. So the first step is design, and I'm going to do that this week and hopefully finish it before December. Look, yeah, I'm gonna finish that before December, and then start building it in December. Yeah, okay. But this week I am going to. That's for a different video that will drop soon. This is all stuff. And honestly, I'm not going to spend too much time building a high fidelity mockup. It'll be a low fidelity design. Let's actually do that now. Say what? The starter plan only comes with 3 files, but getting more is easy. 1 project, 3 pages. That was weird. I guess I don't have that many left. I mean, if this is the case, I'm probably just gonna use Sketch. All right, Mo Foods MVP 2025 plan. Yeah, I'm gonna start using Sketch if you know. I was wondering at some point, you know, Figma's gonna have to start making money, so I'm not even mad at it. All right, I gotta get used to this layout because I have not took this thing really seriously for a while. All right, and then what we'll do is we're gonna take um, we're gonna take Sam's designs and we're gonna move them here. And then we're gonna take basically these screens, right, and move them here. And we're gonna also use my sketch designs. So let me actually get that now before, cause I ended my subscription on here. Uh, cause I like my onboarding screens, but these will have to get redone as well. So I'm not sure how to. I forgot how to do this. Was it? You can't just copy and paste it like that, right? Oh, okay. So that's the onboarding. Um, Pins, groups we're not doing anymore. Uh, Something like this, but no, I won't grab that. We do have the paywall idea. Let me just take these. Just for inspiration. Symbols, journal, business. I was like, if businesses could use the app, but we're not doing that. When there's no groups, is that it? Was that all? Oh, I didn't do no AI recommendations for this thing. Okay, come on, close this app. All right, and then we're gonna grab these screens, and this right here are gonna be different. I'm basically doing these step by step. That's why I'm laying it out kind of like this across. Sam, didn't you have? Okay, all right. I need that then. I need that so I know what my login is gonna look like in a way. Get this out my face, and then not here. We'll move this over there. Uh, all right, I'm not gonna focus on the photos. Those are done. All right, it's the AI that I'm focused on. All right, that's what I really want. He did a great job with these. These look nice. But it's something for the future of Mo Foods. Like if I'm gonna go hard with this app, with the MVP, and if it don't gain traction, I gotta ditch it. You know, but my hopes is Mo Foods is a heavy hitter and something that brings me money. If not, we gotta move on to the next one. All right, this guy. Those are his low fidelity mockups. The splash screen. Do I want to make a splash screen? I don't know. Uh, this is what I really like. We're gonna take some of these, just in case, you know. And we're gonna move these up here. You feel me? And then, yeah, these were nice, but I like Sam's because they kind of keep it on one screen. Oh, that's probably where Sam got the idea. Okay, this is nice. I need this. Sam didn't have that. Put that down there. So this is going to be favorites, but the restaurants are going to be up there. Got a nice view all for the pins. Got the nice details page. What's this? Groups. Discover. Current location. I like this. I like the way he did this. And we're going to take this too. And we're going to take this. Again, the reason why I'm grabbing some of this stuff and not everything is because, oh, this just gave me an idea. It's because I'm grabbing some of them, not all of them. Is this it? It is. Why does it? Oh, this is a Discover. Well, he did get the paywall, so I'm going to move all of these designs into my sketch. And I'm going to take that paywall right there. We don't need the account, but I love this confirmation. And he actually made the paywall. Yeah, I don't need a tip calculator. I already did that. And Sam already did the create folders, which I like his more. His are better. Okay, let's copy that, and then let's move it over here. Keep it in this corner. No, up here. Oh, wow. I didn't get everything. Okay, let me take that, though. And then we'll take this whole row right here. And then we'll move this over here. And there you go. Mine, 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 mine. All right. I have the inspiration. I have what I want, what I'm looking for. There's a confirmation. Boom, boom, boom. I don't need the pins folders because Sam's got it down. We're going to be taking his. But this is basically all I need to think about the AI. All right. Now, to walk you through some other things, let's get this going. Some of the other apps that I really like what they did. So this kind of helped me with the flow. Oops. Kind of get used to this mirroring thing. You know, I kind of like this guy's app. I think I met one of them at Build Space, but he made this. But the nice get started, step by step. Might take some inspiration from that. Definitely the onboarding. So this is what I mean when I say the onboarding is going to be like this. You know, and then when you hit get started, or no, what was I going to do? You hit get started, yeah, and then it brings up the thing. I'll map it all out later. Yeah, I'll map it all out. Oh, shoot. Yeah, I just realized what I did there. It's because, like, you can't get the onboarding screen back. You got to delete it. Can I do this? No, you can't. Maybe you got to do it on your phone. All right. So that's that. We're done with you. Get out my face. All right. So the design is more important for right now because the design is what's going to help me figure out what I need to build first. So I already kind of know what I'm building. It's just the AI has to come first. So the progress, I have two progresses. Progress. Okay, yeah, you gotta go. The design, the development. Oh, that's what it was. It's basically mapping this all out. Gotta leave pretty soon. All right, we'll start with the design. So some of the things that I have to look into when it comes to the design is I have to study, you know, how to what's this? Oh, that's a video y'all probably will never see. I haven't decided if I want to share it yet. Um, One of the things that has to happen with the designs is one, I'm gonna look at how Apple does their navigation with tabs. That's way later. I'm gonna ignore this. I don't care about this now because I'm gonna do like I said, I'm gonna make a low fidelity mockup and then make a high fidelity as I code it out. Oh yeah, I gotta yeah. So build and learn. What is all this stuff? What is this? What is this? Oh, this is me practicing some Swift and finishing up more jobs that VO is doing for me. Yeah, so I'm building a Mo Jobs app that I think will get 100 paid subscribers. What's going on here? Yeah, there you go. Basically, you can like add your job postings. It's only gonna be like 199 a month. So this will be a web app that I'm building with V0. It's gonna be cool. I'm gonna share it on LinkedIn. Hopefully, it blows up. All right, can't wait, can't wait. Um, that's what I was gonna do. Swift Mo Foods, but not here. ChatGPT. That's the other apps. Yeah, that's for the other stuff. All right. Paywalls. Paywall for mobile is something I need to study. Like bypass paywalls, or rather, how to create a great paywall. Revenue Cat comes with a tool where you can like make paywalls with their API. It's like a drag and drop or like a design tool, and then you can like change it without having to resubmit your app to the app store, and it'll like change it in the app as you make it as you make the edits through the web app. Um, but I'm gonna have to create my own paywall. So how do I create a paywall for mobile? Things like text, action, action stuff. To achieve the best results, your paywall should focus on clarity, simplicity, and user-centered designs. So it looks like maybe this blog has the right idea. Yeah. So, yep, this is what I need. I need to figure out how to build an awesome paywall. Revenue Cat does have a paywall thing. So I'm going to use that. Can I call that paywall every time? No, no, no. I have a different thing for that paywall. I think I'm gonna make my own. Uh, Perhaps. Yeah. Um, we'll decide. I'll probably use Revenue Cat's thing, or I'll do my own. Need to design paywall. What else do I need to study up on? I gotta go pretty soon. What else do I need to study up on? Paywall, onboarding flow for mobile. There's shit. Right. I'm basically trying to study other apps and see how they go about creating great onboarding experiences. Right. In terms of like as you set up the AI, and then the thing I have to do is this isn't really the thing I want to focus on paywall. Let me do this here because that's more for like Design steps. It's also for steps. Screen for AI because the other ones are pretty straightforward. I'll do that. Like, how do you create a great onboarding screen and convert sales? So, like, let's do this. Convert sales in mobile. Because I'm figuring, like, what's his name? The guy who's getting like 40K. You know, when he was making the paywall, he was saying like the user was investing time. Just like when I showed you the Cow app, as you're setting up that account before you hit the hard paywall, you're investing a lot of your time and energy into setting this thing up. By the time you hit the paywall, you like feel you're already investing. You're like, okay, I'm willing to pay for this because it seems like this might be worth it, and it works because I have a friend um, who using the Recipe app, but she created an account, probably did the setup, and then got hit with a hard paywall. So I asked her like, did you get hit with a hard paywall that you couldn't close? And she's like, yeah. Guess what? She paid for it. um, damn. I'm not a fan of it though. I'm not a fan of like, you know, the hard paywall. And I'm surprised like when you do that, you don't get rejected from Apple. So, yeah. Anyway, it doesn't even make sense for me to do that because I will still want users to be able to, create pins and share their, create folders. Convert sales in mobile first to the act of turning websites from sales in mobile with pay. Like how do I'm trying to find resources for this. Converted sales mobile will first to the process turning free mobile users into paying customers by strategically implementing a paywall that restricts access to premium features, value propositions, placement. This is from the AI. Okay, this seems good. I'm gonna read up on this. This is the end of the video, y'all. But I'm gonna start reading up on this. I don't care about landing page or anything like that. And then the next step after this is actually this is the last step. App Store optimization, App Store search optimization, or whatever it's called. That's spelled optimization, um, and screenshots, keywords, uh, marketing, basically, right? Because now they're going to judge a book by its cover. All right, this is stuff that has to be done, and I'm not paying a designer to do it. Um, it's a little frustrating. I'm not gonna lie. Like it's easy to work with a designer when you just tell them what the features, because they were going off of my designs, but had I just give them a document and let them use their imagination, they probably would have came up with something better. Which is actually what's happening with Callie. Veronica, who I'm gonna see if she wants to take on the project. Is a designer I found, and I have like a layout and some ideas, but nothing is like concrete. And so, you know, she's gonna do her own thing and come up with some creative ideas. I did say I want to be a UX designer, but right now I gotta ship this out quick, build it quick, so I know if this is something I need to continue, and if it's not, then when Mo Jobs and Mo Foods and all the other Mo apps and other apps come out, Cali will be my biggest focus, and see how that goes. Okay, I think that's all. I don't think I'm missing anything. Yeah, I'm gonna go to the gym, finish up over there, come up with some stuff. After the gym, go home, come up with some stuff for designs, and then probably start designing. Uh, like who's got the sign? Stop designing onboarding screens. Oh, I saw this video. He made some good points. Like some people just do it for the visuals. But my onboarding screen is going to be pretty simple with the focus on the AI. I guess there's no secret. Like there's a science to this. No, there's like some psychology into getting people to hit the buy, to hit the subscribe, to making sure they understand your app, right? I just want someone to tell me like product page optimization. Where's this? Do that right there because I didn't finish that video. This is more like them showing you how to build on the screen. This is the guy I'm talking about, y'all, Steven. You know what? Freak it. I'm gonna finish this video because he's the one making 40K a month. So yeah, and he looked and studied what other successful apps, other viral apps have done. So hey, gotta take from someone who's already where I want to be, right? Onboarding screen, high converting paywalls. All right, this is what I was looking for. The anatomy of converting of a high converting paywall. All right, y'all. That's all I got. Oh, and that's the revenue cat thing I was talking about. Fast and easy paywalls for revenue cat. But it's really simple, and I'm gonna use it for one some parts of it, but the other parts it's gonna be me using it. All right, I think I got the authentication flow all set up, and then for the developer, I might have him just do that. All right, we're gonna save all this for later, and what we're gonna do instead is just hit done to convert. Just so it knows I did something today. This is me doing the text. This is the full house. Oh, I never got started on this, didn't I? Damn it. Some weird stuff is happening anyway. Let's close this. We'll do this later. And what the heck is this one? That's the other one? Alright. Let's do a new project. Let's see if I can build this before Sunday. I'm gonna put this on my desktop. And then we're gonna open up a new view. And we'll see if I can do this weekend. These are the same ones. I'm gonna read these from here, read all this, read all that, and get started. All right, y'all. I'm gonna first build the AI. I'm gonna see if I can actually make this thing work, and if I can make this thing work and work well, we're on the right track. All that has to happen from there is if I can pull this off, I can build it. I know I can build anything. What I could definitely build the app. Man, it's kind of. I'll end it with this. I spent so much time mapping this app out and figuring out like figuring. I keep adding features, but I didn't even know I wanted to build this yet. Like I didn't know I wanted to build this version of the app yet. So the fact that I'm getting this far, just means something, I guess. Um, but yeah, now I know what Mole Foods is supposed to be, and even after it's built, um, I'm starting to rethink the in terms of this year, selling out the Apollo Theater and just aiming for 1,000 paying subscribers. 'Cause that's a lot. I don't know. I was going to go for 3,000, but maybe I'll hit the 1,000 instead. But anyway, I'm gonna build this first, map out the designs, and then get started. And I'm gonna speak to the developer I was gonna hire for the job, and perhaps see if he can do it. But I'm gonna probably build a lot of it, and then have him build certain features so he's familiar with the code base. Because I don't got time to. I got other plans for my money, and I don't got time to hire a developer. Had he just taken the job, it's a good thing he didn't, and I actually recommended I try to get designers. But um, yeah, I'm saving money now. All right. I'll catch y'all in the next video. This will get uploaded to tonight or Friday night. And hopefully Sunday I'll have something to show y'all.